Beautiful rays of sun, greens all around, blue sky and white cotton clouds, and little birds chirping. Don't you think Mother Earth offers us the best of best home? But the question is, are we keeping our home clean and safe to live? Rishith Sunil, a grade 3 student, talking to you all from a small town in Palakkad. Every time when I travel from my mom's place to my dad's, approximately 18 kilometers, I have to literally close my nose tightly at least in 5 spots. Why are the garbages on the streets? Why is there no proper waste management system? Why are the people disposing the waste in the open dumps rather than the proper landfills? Dry and wet garbages from people's homes, plastic bags and bottles, glasses and clothes, and even the poultry and meat slaughterhouse wastes. Are you not aware slaughterhouse wastes are potential reservoir of bacteria and virus which can infect both humans and animals badly? Why can't it be decomposed properly? Plastic bags dumped here are going to stay forever in one farm or another. Do you know it can't even be recycled? So, who's going to take the responsibility of this? What if someone does the same on the front yard of your house? Just imagine your whole house is the earth. Would you poop in the kitchen, pee in the bedroom, and put waste in the hall? Would it be nice? Well, I know I'm an 8-year-old boy who doesn't have any experience or superpowers to change this place in a day. But one thing right now I can do is this. With my mom's and grandfather's help, I made some posters and fixed it in some parts of our small town. I hope this can create an awareness among people. Mother Earth is our home, and we should keep our home clean and tidy. Now to my little friends. Can we hold our hands and heart together to protect our home or Mother Earth? Well, you may have heard about the 3 magical R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. But today, let's add one more R to this: rethink. So, to make a good day and even better tomorrow, I'm going to reduce the use of plastic bags by carrying my own green bags to the supermarket. I will always use reusable water bottles and boxes. I will be reusing my clothes by sharing it with my brother. Recycling is a much tougher word, but I will make compost bin to put all my food scraps in it. I will not stop eating my favorite chocolate or chips, but certainly I rethink about how I dispose these wrappers. It'll only take me 30 seconds to eat the whole chocolate bar. But if I throw the wrappers, it could stay on the earth forever. So how about turning it into these? So my dear little friends, you don't really have to wait till you grow to make the changes. Your little voice and little actions matters, and it can impact at least in your families. And each family becomes responsible, so does the whole world. Now, it's your turn to tell me, what are you onto, or what are you planning to do to make the earth beautiful? Bye-bye.